Hi, this is Chief Meteorologist Matthew Hugo here at UKWF for the latest Farming Forum weather forecast, and starting with a look at satellite imagery to highlight features of interest within the short term. And at the moment in time, quite a lot of unsettled conditions across the UK, particularly across more northern and eastern areas. We have an area of low pressure now just beginning to clear away into the North Sea. You can see the cloud just about spiralling around this centre of low pressure, and this is bringing a particularly poor day across parts of Scotland and down into northern England, with outbreaks of rain, some heavy, and also with showers, and a developing strong north or northwesterly wind as well across more northern areas as this area of low pressure begins to clear. However, as we've been indicating for a few days now, the weather through the end of the week will see an improvement. This area of low pressure will continue to clear away to the northeast, and as a result, higher pressure will then build into the UK, particularly across England and Wales, to lead to a relatively quiet and benign spell of weather on Thursday and Friday. Some of this cloud here to the southwest of the UK is in association with some weather systems which will move into across parts of western Scotland and also western Ireland to end the week. So far west and northwestern areas of the UK may see some outbreaks of rain and showers still to end the week, but overall it is an improvement. And as you may have noticed, temperatures are lower today. This is certainly a cooler and fresher feel out there, far more autumnal than the warm and humid start to the week. So let's have a look at the weather in a little bit more detail now through the next few days. And here we are, Wednesday the 7th at midday. There's the area of low pressure clearing away into the North Sea, and there's the signalled wet weather within the forecast model across parts of eastern Scotland in particular and down into northern England. Note as well, as I indicated, quite a strong north or northwesterly wind develops on the western flank of this area of low pressure as it begins to clear away, so quite a breezy spell of weather across northern areas this afternoon. However, as you can see, by the time we get to the evening period and on into the overnight period, the area of low pressure clears away, takes the rain with it, and tonight is then an increasingly fine and settled spell. As you can see, through into the early hours of Thursday morning, there is little or no signal within the forecast weather models for any heavy or significant precipitation, and this weak ridge of high pressure, this region here, is now then beginning to build over the British Isles. So as a result, it will be a quiet night tonight with some regions of mist and fog, particularly rurally, and there could also be some ground frost as well in what will be a much cooler night, a much chillier night tonight than the last few nights, for example. So we move into Thursday with a relatively quiet and settled day. So by the time we get to around about the middle of the afternoon, this region of high pressure here has continued to build in. A few isolated or scattered showers, mainly light, may well develop in places, but overall, as you can see, no significant precipitation is forecast, and as a result, many areas experiencing a dry afternoon with some bright or sunny spells after the chilly start. Temperatures quickly fall away again on Thursday evening and through into Friday beneath this ridge of high pressure, and Friday morning, here we are, Friday the 9th at 6 AM, starts again generally dry with brighter sunny spells but with some mist, fog and ground frost. There's the weak weather systems which I mentioned at the beginning of the video brief, which may bring some rain and showers to the far west of Scotland and also western areas of Ireland to end the week. But again, overall, as you can still see, most of Scotland, eastern areas of Ireland and particularly across England and Wales, the week ends generally fine, settled with light and variable winds, and again with bright or sunny spells after a chilly start. At the moment, as we move into the weekend, high pressure is forecast to continue to influence the weather, and as a result a lot of fine and settled weather is expected. A few showers still possible in places, and weak weather fronts may continue to bring some more substantial rain across the far western areas of Scotland, particularly Outer Hebrides and also the far west of Ireland. But as you can see, even by the time we get to Sunday the 11th, there is generally a little signal for any significant rainfall. By the time we get to Saturday and Sunday, however, quite a cool, if not chilly, east or southeasterly wind is forecast to develop. So that's all the latest information over the next few days. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy the rest of your day.